This will be a walk around and cold start video of the CL77. This is a 1967 model, and early in the production the bikes came from Honda predominantly in silver color, and later in the production year Honda knew they were coming out with the new 325cc 350 model. So they did a limited number of these CL77s in candy blue and in candy orange, and that was toward the end of the 67 model year. This obviously is the candy blue color, and it is a 67 that was titled in 1968, as that was probably the year in which it was first sold. So this bike is unrestored. It's a survivor bike. It's on all the original finishes. So we have original paint, original chrome, and all of it is really in very nice condition. And this bike shows its years really well. There's really not a lot to gripe about. There are a couple of real small little chips in the paint here on the top of the gas tank, and otherwise the paint is really in very nice condition, and the chrome is as well, which is probably even more important because it's a lot easier to repaint than it is to re-chrome. And the original muffler is in really great shape, no dings or dents. I don't think the bike's really been laid down on either side. There's no evidence that anybody ever fell off this thing. The original handlebars are dead straight. Original mirrors don't show any scratches or damage, and total mileage on the bike is 8,630 miles. And so low use. I think it was really cared for very well by all the owners, and I don't think there were more than two. Perhaps the third owner of this bike. And this is a replacement seat. The original seat was intact. The foam was quite hard, and there's a very high quality and accurate reproduction seat available. So I did go ahead and get one of those seats for the bike. So let's give it a start. Okay, so that's your key on position, and petcock on the right side. I'm going to swing it over to reserve. I'm not sure how much fuel's in the tank, and it is mild here in California, so we're going to go ahead and fire this up with no choke, because although they're a little cold-blooded, they're not terrible. And this bike was run last week and runs real well. So we won't be taking it for a ride because I'm here solo. So we'll just give it a kick and run the engine. Okay, there we go. I had to switch in the wrong position. All right, there we go. Nice running, original bike. Thanks for watching.